This is the Baby Alive that we got. She's Face Paint Fairy. Baby Alive, and she comes with the little face painter, some little wings, some diapers, and a bottle or a sippy. And she comes dressed as a fairy.
Diaper. And it comes with a diaper.
And it says, fill with ice water and reveal her face paint. And you rub it to rub it off.
We're doing a box and a Baby Alive.
Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe. Yay! This is my Baby Alive, and it comes with a magic wand and wings and some diapers and baby bottle.
Baby bottle, why? Do you put a diaper on it?
Yeah, we put a diaper on, and then we it's a bottle, and we feed it.
Okay, open her up.
Okay, open her up. So we are going to open it. So let's go. Open it. Here's the magic wand. Abracadabra, make the baby.
I think we're supposed to fill it with ice water, baby. Let me see it. This is the wand. Cool.
So we got this wings from it. It goes on her. And let's show you the Baby Alive. Here we are. Here she is. She's in our video to watch. Doing to her down. Sit her. Okay, here she is.
Put her wings on her.
What?
Yep.
Here they are.
There they are.
She has her wings on.
Oh, she
Okay,
has
now
her
let's
wings
open the
on.
diapers.
They just wrapped up onto her back. Beautiful. What else does she got?
Diapers.
Diapers? Oh, she doesn't want to sit up on her own.
Okay.
Some diapers.
Just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. We can get more.
That's why we can get. That's why I want to buy a big pack.
That's okay. Is that everything that Baby Alive came with? Came with the doll, the sippy, the magic wand to go over her face tattoo, her face paint, and a diaper. Looks like you're supposed to fill this with ice water. So we filled it with some ice water, and here we go. Wow! Don't move her, don't move her. Gotta get her on camera, honey. Wow, look at that. That's her face tattoo. Her face painting.
Oh, there's some more.
It's magic.
Right over here.
Okay. Magic. Gosh, I'll do it with a piece of ice. It'll be better. Ready? Okay. Drop it in. No.
Put the diaper on now.
Her face tattoo, and then to take it off, it says you just, whoa, you just rub it away, and it goes away.
Let's just go over the way now.
Okay.
I put them. I second them with her diaper on. Sure.
Perfect.
She may be hungry, guys.
I think she's hungry. She looks hungry.
Somebody help me.
Someone help you.
The milk goes not.
Okay.
Wait.
Pull her dress up.
Okay. Wait, let me lift her arms up. Yeah!
Oh, she's crying. Oh
She
no.
don't like her diapers.
She doesn't?
No, what was this? Let's take a window.
What are you doing? Oh, her wings off? Okay. They're in the way.
Yeah, they're in the way. Let's take our dress off first.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Good idea. Let me see. Oh, she's so upset. Why is she so upset?
Melissa, why are you... Wait, Mommy, why are you filming her when she's scared?
Why she's shaky? Very good. Okay, maybe it's Baba time. I think she's hungry. I think she's hungry. Okay. Keep her over here so the camera can see too, honey. Wow, she was hungry, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, she can feed herself?
Yes.